Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 7, OV 89. परमानंदांचा आणिलेला दवा, तयान लागली शिर्डीची हवा. परी साई दर्शन सुहावा, तया घडावा योग हा. Whatever medicines Paramananda had brought were never even opened in Shirdi, but it was his good fortune to have Sai's darshan, and therefore, perhaps, this incident happened. भागोजीचीच नित्य सेवा, भागोजीनेच हात चोळावा. तेणे काळे हातही बरवा, होनी सर्वा सुख झाले. It was always Bhagoji who served him. It was only Bhagoji who would massage the hand. Then, after some time, the hand healed and everyone was happy. ऐसा जरी हात बरा झाला, नकळे बाबासी येई काय दुकळा. ती प्रातकाळची येता वेळा, पट्ट्यांचा सोहळा प्रतिदिनी. In this way, although the hand was completely cured, one doesn't know what was in Baba's mind in allowing Bhagoji every morning, early in the day, to carry out the ceremony of tying the bandages. नसता हातास काहीही वेदना, नित्य निष्कारण तयाची जोपासना. घृतमर्दन निष्पीडन जोपासना, आमरणात चालविली. Although there was no pain, regularly and for no reason, with the help of ghee, a massage was done and the hand was cared for till death. ही उपासना भागोजीची, साई सिद्धा न आवश्यकता जिची. भागोजीस घडविती नित्य नेमाची, भक्त काजीची आवडी. These services were for the sake of Bhagoji. Siddha Sai never needed them. He made Bhagoji render regular service with love as a devotee should. पूर्वजन्मीचे महादोष, भागोजी पावला कुष्ठक्लेश. परितयाचे भाग्यविशेष, साई सहवास लाधला. Because of the sins of his previous birth, Bhagoji was suffering from leprosy, but it was his good fortune that he came in touch with Sai. लेंडीवरी निघता फेरी, भागोजी बाबांचा छत्रधारी. रक्तपिती भरली शरीरी, परी सेवे करी प्रथमतो. Whenever Baba started on his round to Lendi, Bhagoji held the umbrella over Baba's head. Though his body was covered with black leprosy sores, he was the foremost in his service. धुनी पासले स्तंभापाशी, बाबा जेव्हा प्रातसमयासी. प्रत्यही बैसत निजारामासी, हजर सेवेसी तै भाग्या. Whenever, early in the morning, Baba was seated restfully against the pillar near the dhuni, it was his good fortune to be there to serve him. हातापायांच्या पट्ट्या सोडणे, त्या त्या ठाईचे स्नायू मसळणे. मसळल्या ठाई तूप चोळणे, सेवा करणे भाग्याने. He would remove the bandages, massage the respective muscles, apply ghee to those parts, and thus be fortunate to serve him. पूर्वजन्मीचा महापापिष्ट, सर्वांगी भरले रक्तकुष्ठ. भागोजी शिंदा महाव्याधिष्ट, परिभक्त वरिष्ठ बाबांचा. Bhagoji Shinde was a great sinner in his past lives. His whole body was bleeding with sores. He was greatly affected by this deadly disease, but he was a matchless devotee of Baba. रक्तपितीने झडली बोटे, दुर्गंधीने सर्वांग ओखटे, ऐसे जयाचे दुर्भाग्य मोठे, भाग्य चोखटे सेवा सुखे. His fingers had become stumps because of leprosy, and his whole body emanated a nauseating smell. Thus, the one with such a great misfortune derived fourfold happiness from his services. किती म्हणूनी श्रोतयाला, वर्णू बाबांच्या अगाध लीला, एकदा गावी ग्रंथीज्वर आला, चमत्कार झाला तो परिसा. How many such great miracles of Baba can I describe to the listeners? Once when plague came to the village, listen to the miracle that happened. दादासाहेब खापर्ड्यांचा मुलगा एक लहान वयाचा, आनंद साई सहवासाचा, निजमातेच्या सहभोगी. Dadasaheb Khaparde's young son was staying with his mother and enjoying the pleasure of Baba's company. आधीची तो मुलगा लहान, ताप आला फणफणून, मातेचे हृदय आले उलून, अस्वस्थ मन जाहली. As it is, the boy was very young and he got very high fever. The mother's heart grew anxious and she became agitated. उमरावती वसती स्थान, आले मनी करावे प्रस्थान, सायंकाळची वेळ साधून, आली आज्ञापन घ्यावया. Her home was at Amravati. Therefore, she thought of going there. In the evening, at the proper time, she came to take Baba's permission. अस्तमानची करिता फेरी, बाबा येता वाडिया शेजारी, बाई जाऊनी पाय धरी, निवेदन करी घडले जे. While doing his evening rounds, Baba came near the Vada. There, the woman bowed down at his feet and told him what had happened. आधीच स्त्रियांची जात घाबरी, तशात मुलाची थांबेना शिरशिरी, ग्रंथीज्वराची भीती ही भारी, निवेदन करी घडले ते. As it is, women are timid by nature, and besides, the son's trembling did not stop. Also, there was the scare of plague. Therefore, she told him what had happened. बाबा म्हणती मृदू वचन, आभाळ आले आहे जाण, पडेल पाऊस पीक पिकोन, आभाळ वितळून जाईल. Baba lovingly assured her with these words, "Know that the skies are overcast, the rains will come, and the harvest will ripen. The clouds will clear up." भिता किमर्थ ऐसे वदून, कफनी कमरेपर्यंत उचलून, दाविते झाले सकळा लागून, ग्रंथी टवटवून उठलेल्या. Why are you afraid? Saying this, he lifted his kafni up to the waist and showed everybody the fully developed buboes. कुकुटीच्या अंड्या एवढे, चार ग्रंथी चोहीकडे, म्हणती पहा हे भोगणे पडे, तुमचे साकणे मजलागी. In 4 places, there were 4 buboes of the size of a hen's egg. He said, "See, I have to bear this because of your difficulties." हे दिव्य आणि अलौकिक, कर्म पाहोनी विस्मित लोक, भक्ता लागी दुःखे ही कैक, भोगिती अनेक संत कैशी. People were amazed to witness this divine and unique ordeal. How the saint suffered for the sake of their devotees. मेणाहुनी मऊ चित्त, सबाह्य जैसे नवनीत, लाभे वीण भक्तासी प्रीत, भक्तची गणगोत जयाचे. Their heart is softer than wax, just like butter appears outwardly, They have selfless love for the devotees, as if they are his kith and kin.